Hi, this is Brenda DeArmond. I'm a real estate broker. I'm here in Summit Greens at 773 Summit Greens Boulevard. We're going to go into this listing. It's 773 Summit Greens and it's $350,000. It's a nice home. I'm going to turn the camera around so you can see the whole thing. It's a 2-bedroom with a den. If you're not familiar with Summit Greens, it's a 55+ community. The lawn care is all included in the HOA. And it all has brick driveway here. Summit Greens now has only 2 listings in here. So this is the one you want to see if you want to spend $350,000. The other one is $535, I believe. It has a little sitting area there. The nice thing about the front part here is a little screened in area if you're walking in here. If it's raining or inclement weather, come right in here. You don't get caught in the rain. Little anteroom here. It's a beautiful front door, all glassed. Let's shut this door. Here is the den. Nice den. Everything is tiled. There's not a stitch of carpet in here. Some of these items are for sale. You're right here in the front area. I'm using this as an office here. This desk is for sale. I'll point out some things for sale in case you're interested in looking at the items as well. Coming through here, here is the living room, another great room. I'll go into the master area first. It's a good sized room here. Also shows the dining area on that side. The couches are for sale. This wall unit's for sale. And we're coming into the main bedroom. Again, look at all the tile, nice tile. Good size bedroom, very light. This bedroom set's for sale as well. Includes the dresser and the 2 nightstands. $500 for the whole shebang. Here we go into the bathroom. Has a soaking tub and a shower, separate shower. And it has got my beautiful picture here, of course, unintended, but it does have 2 sinks. Nice light bar there. Got a nice closet area as well. Let me open that up here. Nice walk-in closet. Look at those shelves. You can stack a lot of things in there. And of course you have the attic opening there. A lot of good spots there. This is one of the closets. We'll go over here to the second closet. Another walk-in closet, not quite as big as the first one, but you have ample storage up there. The kitchen. This dining room set is for sale, and it has 2 extensions for it. Let's walk out here to the lanai. Again, this is all tiled as well. Bookshelf for sale. Very lengthy. A lot of room here. And we have the windows here. You have screens and windows. Good view. Okay, here back into the dining area. This buffet is for sale. Has a gas stove, gas cooking, gas heat, gas water heater, dryer. The appliances, all except for the gas stove, are recent. So all of these stay with the home. Nice countertops, white cabinets, and an eat-in area if you want to eat in here. I'm sure this is going to be used a lot. Here's the pantry. Store all your, a lot of storage in this home. And it brings you back out here to the laundry room. Washer and dryers, new, fairly new. And more storage here. And this takes us out to the garage. The AC's only a few years old. You have a water heater over there. Very neat and tidy in here. Again, there's another entrance to the attic. So you have two entrances on there. Here's the second bedroom. Has a little area all to itself here. It's a beautiful bedroom here. Nice size. And the closet. See how the size of the closet. Straight closet. And then you have your own bathroom just right outside the door here. Nice tub shower combo. Here's the sink. And the lighting. Really, you have it all to yourself here. And you come back here to the living area. More luscious golf course. Isn't that beautiful? Nice and green. This is a restaurant area right outside the gate of Summit Greens in the back. It is a food court here. Most anything that you'd like to have. Pick out what you want. There is a bar in here as well. People come up here and enjoy themselves just right outside the gates here. There's music three nights a week. Fun for the whole family. Even though we're in at 55 plus, this is open to the public. As you can see, everybody's in here. This is in the middle of the day. It's not quite as crowded at this area. I believe I took this before it really took off. The golf course is just starting. It's a brand new golf course. Been renovated. You can see you can sit inside or outside and see that it's called the view because look how beautiful the view is. Can't beat that. It's the Grove. It's called the Grove is the actual golf course. And here is the bar area. Come in here and kick back and relax. Here's some games that kids can play or adults. all types of things, from 4 to 94. All kinds of things that you can do. Again, look at the lush area. If you're interested in looking at this house any further, let me know. I am Brenda DeArmond at 407-721-2128. I do live in Summit Greens. I can give you a lot of information on that. I have additional videos regarding the clubhouse.